Want your edits to move like this? Let's make that smooth velocity and motion blur effect in CapCut, fast and easy. First, import your clips in Music. Adding them to Timeline, click on Audio Track and add beats to it. After adding beat markers, find the beat where you want to add velocity effect. Now here I want to add a fast to slow-mo effect at this beat. I'll split my video here, and then after skipping one beat, I'll split it again so we have a shorter clip. Now here we will apply curve.
Now this is done, I will do the same process onto the remaining clips as well. Trimming it into short parts, applying flash in curve on the right beat, and adjusting the markers later on. And after I'm done doing it, here is the result. Looks neat, right? But something feels off. We haven't added the flash effects on it yet. So I'm going to create the flash effect and add it onto every beat. It takes some time, but it's easy to do. Thanks for watching. Now go make your next edit hit different.